We are moving towards the component of mental status examination, that is perception. What is perception? Perception is the way in which something understood, or it is an ability of someone or an individual to see, hear, or become aware through their senses. Simply, we can see that how someone is perceiving the things, how someone understand the things through their senses. So this is the perception. Basically, two types of perceptions can be seen or observed in mental health or psychiatric patients. One is hallucination and second is illusion. What is the difference between illusions and hallucination? We will see. In hallucination, this is the distorted perception. These two perceptions, hallucination and illusions, these are the distorted perceptions, means it is the abnormal perceptions. Actually, this is not the normal perception. This is the abnormal perception. We can say it is the distorted perception. In hallucination, this is the distorted perception in which an external stimuli is absent. External stimuli is absent. We will see the detail. But first, we have to see the difference between hallucination and illusion. In hallucination, external stimuli is absent. It is a distorted perception in which an external stimuli is absent. But in illusion, it is the distorted perception in which external stimuli is present, but patient understand it and inaccurately. External stimuli is present but perceived or understand it inaccurately. Inaccurately or wrongly. So this is the difference. In hallucination, external stimuli is absent, but patient will complain that he is looking something, he is hearing something, he is hearing noise, he feels something over his body, and also he feels taste of something, but actually he is feeling nothing. So this is the hallucination. There are different types of hallucination. One is auditory. In auditory hallucination, although there is an external stimuli is absent, means there is no anything, but patient will complain that he is looking something. In auditory hallucination, auditory is belonging to the sound, the false sound. And even patient complain that there is a noise, but actually there is no any sound. There is no any noise. And second is visual hallucination. In visual hallucination, there is a false image, false perception of image, but there is no any image. False image. And gustatory. Gustatory is belonging to the tongue or taste. False taste. And tactile. Tactile means somatic. Somatic means body or touch. Means false touch. Patient will complain that he is feeling over his body, but actually there is nothing, because it is a hallucination, external stimuli is absent. And another tactile hallucination, that is olfactory. So olfactory is the sense of smell, means there is no any smell, but patient will explain that he is smelling like a fumes, like a smoke. So this is the hallucination. But in illusion, it is the distorted perception, but external stimuli is present. Patient will complain as understand it inaccurately or wrongly. We can see the example that if there is a rope, but although it's an external stimuli is present, but patient complained that it is a snake. Wrong perceived. Understand it inaccurately. Although there is a external stimuli is present, but in hallucination, external stimuli is absent. So this is the difference between hallucination and illusion. Simply we can see in hallucination, patient will complain that he is hearing, he is feeling something, he is looking something, he tastes something, but actually there is no any feeling, that reality doesn't exist. External stimuli is absent, not present. But in illusions, external stimuli is present, but patient perceive it inaccurately or wrongly. So this is the difference between illusion and hallucination.